Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We are here in this brand new classroom, room 611C. And yes, there is Chungus. Chungus is among us. He has a hot date. Beautiful screen. It's my little easel over there. And this is Lily. Lily, how are you?
I'm good, hi.
Where are you from?
Michigan.
Michigan, wow. And why are you here at SVA? What's your dream job?
I'm a storyboard artist and or director.
Wow, that is all. Lily is going to be an art director also. Did you say art director?
I just said director.
You're going to be an art director too, because Lily just is awesome in the critique. So this is Lily's, what size is this actually?
I bought an A5. I think that's what size this is called.
Okay, cool. So let's start flipping through Lily's sketchbook and check it out. And this is the spring semester here at SVA, School of Visual Arts. Now, let's start off and tell us about this character.
These are the fishmen, and this is their leader. He has a jellyfish for a head and brain. I just draw them because I like them.
Nice. And tell everybody on YouTube what medium this is and how long did it take you?
This painting is watercolor. I think it was maybe like 3 hours or so. I did that when I was home over the break.
Nice. And are you doing these turtles or tortoises from photos or out of your imagination?
These were from photos. I did all these animals after I went on a drive-through wildlife safari.
Nice.
And I didn't draw them while I was going through it, but afterwards I went and
You got inspired.
Yeah, I looked up some pictures of the animals I saw.
They're really cool. What I mentioned to Lily is I just love the shapes. And now you're going and you're switching to line. And tell us a little bit about these. What marker did you use?
These were plastic nibbed microns.
Okay.
That's my favorite line art pen. That's what I use for all my pen sketches pretty much.
Beautiful, beautiful. And these are just like life drawings of your family?
Yeah, that's my grandpa, that's my uncle, that's my cousin.
How long did these take you?
These were probably about 2 minutes, I want to say. I was doing them while they were moving around, so I had to be pretty quick with them.
Yes. Wow. Okay. And this is during your spring break.
Yeah, all the painting at the beginning I did at the end, but everything else has been my winter break, not my spring break.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. And these are really, really cool. Tell us a little bit about these.
These were from Pinterest model sheets of like costumed models. I was doing a lot of Pinterest stuff when I was in Florida during all these on winter break, so I was just drawing a lot.
Nice.
And this was when I was back home in Michigan because I was drawing my cat.
And it's too cold to go out in Michigan in the winter, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cold.
Totally. Oh, that's your cat. Okay, love it. Love the Post-its.
She was moving around a lot.
Yeah, I bet. And tell us a little bit about these.
This was another Pinterest model sheet. I think it might have been the same model photoshopped together, just doing different personalities.
Okay.
But I used a Tombow brush pen and then went over it with a black Tombow to have like a sketch layer.
Oh, I never tried those. I use their eraser. I love these that you're not out. They just look really good. Mm-hmm. And I'm so happy that you're experimenting and you're not doing the one-hit wonder thing. I love that you're trying with outline and then back to traditional pencil.
Yeah, this is mechanical pencil. I pretty much only use 0.7 mechanical pencil in this book.
Nice. Now, this was down below to the left is the thumbnails for the homework assignment of creating one still.
So all of these was me kind of feeling out that idea.
Yes.
For the color illustration assignment.
Yes.
And I knew I wanted to do a blue and orange one, but I was trying to figure out the background.
Oh, I wish we had that here so we can show everyone. That would be cool. We'll put your social media, and maybe it's on your social media.
It's on my Instagram.
Awesome. We'll put it in the show notes. See, this page it's just, I told you yesterday when I looked at your sketchbook, I just adore it. It's spectacular. And it's I love the fishing pole with the string and the different texture, shape, line, a little bit of pattern.
Yeah, I really like making his clothes look wet and all the blushing. His face was really red. These are all from Pinterest.
I'm gonna just go in a little bit. That is really great. Wow. Back to cats, love it. Yeah. Drawing animals is just like drawing humans. They're just muscles, bones, and water.
Yeah, she's mostly fat.
That too.
She wasn't moving around as much this time.
And what about these drawings?
These were from Pinterest, I'm pretty sure, and I drew them with only pen.
Okay.
So you can see here I was messing up a little bit.
And this entire sketchbook, how long did this sketchbook take you? It's not the biggest sketchbook in the world, but how long?
Let me think. I started in like late December, early January, and I finished it like a week ago in like mid-March.
Nice. That's not bad at all with all. So, wow, I like that a lot. You're really good with perspective. How did you draw that one? Life, memory, photo?
These are from photos from Pinterest. I don't remember what's under this paper, but I just wanted to cover it up. I didn't know what to put on here, so
I see.
I was doodling.
Okay. Nice. You must have some Pinterest profile with lots of awesome photos.
I have a lot.
I like that you're very powerful with the mechanical pencil, right?
I love the mechanical
Yeah, I
pencil.
love that you're doing shape of hair, facial expressions. That's a good page. Wow.
Yeah, these were all from Spirited Away because I really like the way that they draw the women in that.
Yeah. Gosh. This is a cute little beautiful sketchbook with lots of diversity, some experimentation, but yet it's kind of clean, like in a good way, not in a stiff way. And that character is awesome.
Thank you.
What's that character for?
That's for a comic series I made. Her name's Pepsi. I just wanted to draw her doing like a nighttime routine because I feel like she would have one.
That's cool. Pepsi, I love that. From class?
Because she's wearing the same hat. This was when I came back to school, and these all was from when the first drawing class we had back. I didn't have my newsprint pad yet.
Gotcha. She's a great model. She's really good with costume.
You kept making me. You were making us frame everything.
Yes, that was the beginning of this semester where we were talking about composition and not just and gradations in the background and not just doing a floating line drawing. Nice. And these are some of your floating line drawings.
Well, these are the 2-minute ones.
Yes, I get you. And those are beautiful. And tell us a little bit, were these?
These were thumbnails for the black and white assignment that we
Yes.
had. I didn't have black and white, but I just did them in different tones of blue. I don't remember what this is.
The truth comes out.
I think I just wanted to draw kimonos.
Nice. That's pretty. Oh, this is another great page. I love the color and the pattern on the shirt. Oh, wow. And the green versus the red, beautiful harmonious color. And then you said you drew that you were in this setting, but you drew it kind of reversed.
Yeah, this is my first class in a lecture hall. I'm here, I think, and I was sitting in the chair, but I was looking behind me to see how everything was and kind of, I don't know, trying to think of how it would look from behind the teacher.
You probably were freaking out the teacher when you were looking backwards, and the teacher was probably like, what the hell is that person doing?
Yeah.
That's what I would be like.
Yeah.
Nice, fun.
These were costumes that a bunch of us had for a party, and I decided to draw them in kind of...
Is that Tyler's costume with the washing machine?
This is Tyler. This
Okay.
was someone else. This is me. My mom got mad at me for this drawing because she was like, why'd you draw yourself like a man? I was like, because I was playing a pizza boy.
That's great. Those are nice cat drawings. I love the shape on that white and, let's just call it dark patches on white fur.
Oh, this one?
Gorgeous, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, these ones are kind of funky. I remember I showed you this and you told me that I needed to do more composition when I
Yes.
drew models.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's a way we haven't really, we should have a part of our class on that. How you do these model drawings in your sketchbook and compose them in a way that flows. Like this page flows.
Yeah.
From it bows around kind of like a hammock shape almost. You just really nailed that watercolor. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I did. I think this was after you told me to do more composition because now all these are U-shaped.
Yeah, U-shape is a good shape, and then you can reverse the U-shape to an upside down U. But yeah, it just flows better that way versus having each figure one on top of the other. And now the other thing is to have more overlap. And you've got a little bit of that on that page. Are these storyboards for your animation?
Yeah, so all the characters you just saw in this was all me planning out characters and backgrounds for my freshman film. This is more of that.
Nice.
Ooh.
And you went to the Met.
I did go to the Met with my English class.
What was the assignment there?
I think we had to write a paper on some paintings at the Met. I don't really remember.
I would never do that to you. This is another one of my absolute favorite pages. Look at the shape with the fishing pole and then the thin wire. That is fishing line. That is so cool.
Yeah, this was after, I think you told me to get markers. This is me trying them out for real for the first time.
You're pretty much a natural with it. It's really working.
Actually, I used to have like a ton of alcohol markers, but now I hate alcohol markers.
Wow.
But these are water-based.
That's pretty. Is that a Spirited Away?
No, this was just an image I saw on Pinterest, and I kind of abstractified all the stuff in the background because I didn't feel like drawing it.
Nice.
But it was I'm not sure what it was, honestly.
Okay, fair enough. It looks beautiful. Looks really beautiful. Some more thumbnails, very sketchy.
These were also for that color illustration.
Yes, I like that you're creating tone in a linear, loose way, and it's not just like these stiff outlines for your thumbnails. And then we did hands. Class?
This wasn't in class.
No.
I just drew these because I was bored. These are my hands.
Wow.
Oh yeah, this is when flip-flop season started.
Yes, Lily wears flip-flops when it's 20 degrees outside.
Yeah, this was in February.
When you say that you came to this class with shoes twice?
More than twice. In like January, I was wearing shoes.
That is hilarious.
Like, even as a child, I wore flip-flops.
Oh, that's great. I mean, it's good. They're good for your feet because to pile your feet into shoes is very not good for your feet. Tell us a little bit about these. Like, these are wonderful. What is this for?
So I drew this because the Wi-Fi went out in my dorm, and it reminded me of all the power outages I'd had in my life because I'm kind of nostalgic for them. So this one was me. I would collect like water to pour into our toilet from the gutters. This was, I remember my mom invited everyone over to have ice cream because our freezer was broken, so she wanted to get rid of it. This was actually just a year ago. Our power went out on Passover, and then when the electrician came to like fix our power, there was it was a very ominous knock on the door. If you know about Passover, you don't want a knock at the door. This is when I was a child again, and a tree like almost hit my neighbor's car, but the power line saved it.
Wow.
And this was me when the power actually went out, and I was just eating. Or when the Wi-Fi went out, we had power.
That's spectacular. Wow, I need to do more drawing when I get bored so then I can do stuff like this. Jeez.
And I also put Bound in because we had a generator that my dad would only turn it on for 10 minutes a day, so we would watch like short Pixar
Nice.
movies.
Oh, that's interesting. I have a generator too, and I've used it like 10 times in like 10 years, and every time I put it on, the electricity goes right back on, so it's weird. Tell us a little bit about the dinosaur bone drawings.
Oh, I went to the Museum of Natural History when my dad came to visit me.
Oh, so you took him there after our field trip.
I did. I like going to the Museum of Natural History. I've been there a few times outside of field trips.
Nice.
Here's you.
You did make my legs look longer. I'll take that all day long. Yes, my birthday's on Valentine's Day.
And you're obsessed with romance.
I
like a little
foster relationships, absolutely. I think it's a good thing to have relationships in college. But I digress. Tell us a little bit about this page with the orange.
I drew this lady from Pinterest with her dress, and then I eat a lot of clementines. That's my main source of vitamin C.
That's what my daughter does.
Yeah, so I was eating a clementine, and I looked up pictures of clementines, and I found this kind of aesthetic one.
Nice.
So I drew it and tried to fill in I only had like 2 orange colors, and I made her dress orange to match and put some blue behind it.
You got some really good color harmony going on. Red, green, blue, orange, perfect.
Yeah, I love that color scheme. This is when I tried to do more of that compositional figure studies.
It's good. I mean, you have to get a feel for it, and then I like how you're doing like some of the characters like a little bit darker line. They pop in the foreground. That's cool too. Nice. Wow. What's this one?
Okay, so I drew myself sleeping. How do I explain this? I drew this because one morning I just woke up and like I wasn't able to think anything. I just felt like my head was
Is that
empty.
a brain?
Yeah, so I drew my brain like in a jar on the side because I took it out to sleep because it was really nice when I woke up like that.
Wait, do you seriously have a pillowcase with fishes on it?
I do.
Oh my God. Okay, so that is the best part of the sketchbook, that we found that fun fact about you, that you have a pillowcase with fishes on it.
And I drew some cars because I like cars.
Yes, that's like a 1953 Corvette right there.
Yeah, I like old cars.
Yeah, nice. What about this one?
This one, this was the last thing I'd painted in this sketchbook. I just wanted to paint like some of my favorite things and put them together into one thing. So I put a van because I like the idea of living in a van, and there's an outhouse, and I put my cat in it as well, and a grill.
I believe that you would live in a van because you wear flip-flops in February.
Yeah, and then I put a rat statue because I felt like that might add some class to the place.
Nice.
And then I put my cat here. Is it here? I put my cat here again. This is a picture of her, my dad holding her, and she's just kind of coming out of the tree to watch over us.
Awesome.
And then, oh, this was from the Zoom live model session we had right before break.
Nice.
I painted her.
Beautiful colors, very harmonious. I like that it's not like super bright, intense saturation. And that's it. Wow, Lily, that's an awesome sketchbook. So we'll post your social media in the show notes and the more down below. And thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
All right, you got it. All right, everyone, thanks so much for dealing with my shaky hands, and we'll talk to you soon. Make sure to like the video, and perhaps if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. That'd be really helpful, and we'll talk to you soon.